How to make a budget. And you can play with this, you can play with the percentages, but it really comes down to your income and your expenses. Ideally, your income is greater than your expenses, and you can use a piece of paper, just put a line in the middle of it, and that's how you can do it. And then put, income on one side, put expenses on the other side, and categorize both of them. Ideally, you want to put your fixed expenses on top because they're going to be fixed, so they can't decrease. And then you put your variables on the bottom that they change every so often. So for example, your housing is most likely a fixed expense, your utilities are a fixed expense, your cell phone bill is a fixed expense. That type of stuff is on top first. And then your variables is usually gas or, groceries, that type of thing. And then for income, you put, your salary, bonuses or gifts, stuff like that on the other. And again, you take your income minus your expenses equals, your net worth. So that's how you create a budget using paper. I personally use a Google Sheet, or I can also use Microsoft Excel. Personally, I've been using Google Sheet, and I'm trying to build a little product of a Google Sheet that, I'll give out to you guys to test out as well. And comment below if you want to be in the beta test of that. And if you like this video, if you have more questions on budgeting, I can answer and make some videos on your questions as well to answer it better than just texting it. And like the video, share it, and subscribe for more videos on budgeting, finance, stock market, and all things finance. Thank you very much.